Butterfly. What? Do you want some airplane Lollipop? Yeah, sure. Really? Yes. Are you sure, Butterfly? Yes. Okay, here you go, Butterfly. Thank you. No problem. Also, I got one more question for you, David. Okay, what is it? Is strawberry your favorite? Yeah, strawberry's the best. I like strawberry. Okay. Also, guys, did I give Butterfly some airplane Lollipop? Comment down below. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.